Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix lagging issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix it, so guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix this problem. So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys scroll to below, then tap on general, and from here guys simply tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of your iPhone. If there have any update, then simply update to first, and after that here you can see guys iPhone storage. So guys simply tap on this, and from here guys if there is not space on your iPhone, then delete some data from your iPhone, and from here scroll to below. Then from here guys simply uninstall the useless app from here. So guys simply uninstall the useless app from here, and after that simply go back to your home screen, and from here guys you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. So guys press and release the volume up and volume down button, and hold the power button until Apple logo appears. So guys restart your device for one time, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helped you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.